The ultimate battle of knowledge and wit. Over 1,000 brain-cracking questions and more than 50 million shillings worth of prizes up for grabs. Who will come out on top? It's the ultimate university quiz. Please welcome the quiz mistress, Lydia Laquanyero.
Round 1, welcome to the Ultimate University Quiz. This is Season 3 in a game sponsored by Bank of Uganda, brought to you by Vision Group and powered by Net Studios Africa. Our teams playing today, Busitema University versus Bishop Stewart University. Welcome them on stage. Busitema University, please come on up and take your positions. Among them is a dangerous substitute. Please come on up.
Busitema University is one of the public universities and degree awarding institutions. It has its main focus on the instruction of agricultural sciences, agricultural mechanization, and business. Its main campus is at Busitema in Busia district. It has other campuses at Nagongera, Mbale, Kaliro, Palisa, Arab, and Namasagari.
And then Bishop Stewart University. Come and join us.
Campus Real Stewart, who was an Anglican bishop of Uganda in the middle of the 20th century. It started operation in 2003 at the campus of then Kakoba National
Stewart University. Brilliant teams. One of these teams, at the end of the game, will be declared the winner and live to fight another day. The other will be going home. You are watching the Ultimate University Quiz. We are going to give the teams an opportunity to introduce themselves, name and course. Let's start with you, Bishop Stewart University. Name and course.
Mavina Iniviona, Bachelor's of Laws.
Mugisha Robert, Bachelor of Laws.
And now our team from Busitema University, please introduce yourselves so the audience can get to know you.
Corey Agro Joshua, Bachelor of Science in Water Resource Engineering, Busitema University.
Walimbo Innocent, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, Busitema University.
Bongo Alex, Bachelor of Science in Anesthesia, Busitema University.
Hey Thomas, here, Bachelor of Business Administration.
Welcome to the game. We'll now ask our dangerous substitutes. Please take your positions, go and sit down, while the rest of the teams continue. Well, students, you ready?
Yes.
I'm going to read to you the rules of the game. Some of you have been here before, you know them, but it's important to read again. I'm going to put a question to you. You answer correctly, you get 10 points. You get it wrong, your opponent gets a chance to answer the exact same questions. Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin with Bishop Stewart University. Bishop Stewart University, which former Chief Justice of Kenya has declared his intention to run for the presidency in 2027?
Gathilu.
That is not the correct answer. Busitema.
Martha Karun. Ronald Matiang.
Correct answer is David Maraga. Bishop Stewart University, which disease formerly named after an ape broke out in the Democratic Republic of Congo before spreading to Uganda?
Ebola.
That is not correct, Bishop Stewart.
Marburg.
Correct answer is Mpox or monkeypox. Bishop Stewart University, before being renamed Mpox by the World Health Organization, which name with racial connotations did the above disease have?
Smallpox.
That is not correct, Busitema. The name is monkeypox. You too, you need to wake up. Busitema University, which former guild president of Makerere University went on to head a political party known as Justice Forum? This is general knowledge. You've run out of time. Bishop Stewart?
Basairwa.
That is the correct answer. Bishop Stewart University, which leader of Busoga Kingdom currently heads the National Planning Authority? You've run out of time. Busitema University?
Ingwema Nathan.
Correct answer is Joseph Muvawala. Busitema University, what does the acronym IFRIS stand for? Is that a pass?
Electronic.
Bishop Stewart?
It is electronic physical receipt invoice system.
That is not the correct answer. I'm going to give you a chance to refine your answer.
Electronic physical receipt invoicing system.
That is not correct. It's electronic fiscal receipting and invoicing solution. Bishop Stewart University, which former Ugandan diplomat once served as a papal nuncio to Algeria?
Robert Rukai.
That is not correct. Busitema.
Albert
Correct
Mwesigwa.
answer is Augustine Kasuja. Busitema, which African city hosts the headquarters of the African Development Bank? Keyword is city.
Addis Ababa.
Incorrect. Bishop Stewart.
Lusaka, Zanzibar.
Correct answer is Abidjan. Bishop Stewart, which Nigerian economist served as the president of the African Development Bank from 2015 to 2025?
Pass.
Pass over to you, Busitema. 10 points for you if you get this correct. Correct answer is?
Good luck, Jonathan.
Nope. Akidumi Adesina. Busitema University, he is from Rwanda and was the 7th president of the African Development Bank. That's from 2005 to 2015 and is credited for expanding the reach and impact of AFDB, Africa's premier financial institution.
Paul Kagame.
That is not the correct answer. Bishop Stewart.
Pass.
Correct answer is Donald Kaberuka. Bishop Stewart University, which Asian country home to the spiny babbler went through a Gen Z uprising that resulted in the overthrow of a government?
Indonesia.
That is not correct. Busitema.
Nepal.
Nepal is the correct answer. Yes. Busitema, which famous mountain range separating the plains of the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan plateau is found in Nepal?
Mount Himalayas.
Okay, the Himalayas is correct. Bishop Stewart University. Burkinabe military officer and politician Ibrahim Traore has served as the interim president of Burkina Faso since 2022. Which president did he topple in 2022?
Dahomey.
That is not correct. Busitema. It was Damiba. It was Damiba. Busitema University, which 811 character code that identifies a specific bank or branch for international money transfers and other financial transactions? Which 811 character code identifies a specific bank or branch for international money transfers and other financial transactions? Repeat that.
Swift.
Yeah, Swift code is the correct answer. Bishop Stewart University, what does the acronym SWIFT stand for in banking?
Pass.
Pass over to you, Busitema.
Society of World International, that is the...
Well, you have failed that one. I'm going to read it to you, okay? Yeah, next time consult faster. Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications. Busitema, which French lawyer served as the president of the far-right National Rally Party from 2011 to 2021 and ran for presidency in the 2012, 2017 and 2022 election?
Macron.
That is not correct. Bishop Stewart.
Nicolas Sarkozy.
Correct answer is Marine Le Pen. Bishop Stewart, which leader of the SWAPO party won the November 2024 presidential election in Namibia with a 58 vote, becoming the country's first female president?
Pass.
Over to you, Busitema.
Meluta Nandia.
Repeat your answer.
Meluta Nandia.
The correct answer is Dr. Nandi Ndaitwah. Nandi Ndaitwah. Busitema, which leader served a 10-year sentence on Robben Island in South Africa, went ahead to form a party known as Mkhonto Wesizwe?
Mugabe.
That is not correct. Bishop Stewart.
Nelson Mandela.
Bishop Stewart.
Nelson Mandela.
Correct answer is Jacob Zuma. Bishop Stewart, which Kenyan is the current Secretary General of the East African Community?
Pass.
Over to you, Busitema. Correct answer is Veronica Nduva. Busitema, Uganda has 10 national parks, each offering unique experiences. Which one of the 4 regions of Uganda does not have a national park?
Central.
Very, very good and correct answer. That's the Central region. And end of round 1. Scores so far on the board. Busitema University with 40 points and Bishop Stewart with 10 points. You're watching the Ultimate University Quiz. This is season 3 in a game sponsored by Bank of Uganda, brought to you by Vision Group and powered by Net Studios Africa. We'll see you in round 2.
The Ultimate University Quiz brought to you by Vision Group, sponsored by Bank of Uganda, Uganda Communications Commission, Parliament of Uganda, National Environment Management Authority,
Crystal Mineral Water,
and powered by Net Studios Africa. Returns shortly after a short break.
Welcome back to the Ultimate University Quiz 2025, brought to you by Vision Group, sponsored by Bank of Uganda, Uganda Communications Commission, National Environment Management Authority, Parliament of Uganda, Crystal Mineral Water, and powered by Net Studios Africa.
Welcome back. This is round 2 of Game 6. You are watching the Ultimate University Quiz, brought to you by Vision Group, sponsored by Bank of Uganda and powered by Net Studios Africa. Our participating team so far, Busitema University has 40 points, while Bishop Stewart University has got 10 points. Our students, welcome to Game 6, Round 2. Our category is Science. This time round, we start with you, Busitema University. The first question: 2 mammals lay eggs. The platypus is one. Which is the other?
Duck.
That is not correct. Bishop Stewart?
Marsupials.
Correct answer is the echidna. Bishop Stewart, what M is the process of a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly?
Metamorphosis.
That is correct. Busitema, what is the name of the structures that carry genetic information in our cells?
DNA.
That is correct. Bishop Stewart, what is it called when a lizard regrows its tail? I didn't hear you. Did you speak? Busitema.
Regeneration.
That is not
Molting.
I need you to refine your answer.
Molting.
Correct answer is epimorphic regeneration. You had to give me 2. Busitema University. The mass of the Earth is mostly made up of 2 elements. Oxygen at 30% is 1. Which other element consists of 32?
Hydrogen.
That's
Carbon
not correct.
dioxide.
That is not correct. You need to choose one answer. We are not guessing here.
Carbon.
Wow. Bishop Stewart?
Carbon.
Correct answer is iron. Bishop Stewart, what percentage of the Earth's surface is covered in water? Percentage.
75.
Incorrect. Busitema.
71.
71 is correct. Busitema, which Asian country has the most active volcanoes in the world?
Indonesia.
That is correct. Bishop Stewart, which planet in our solar system has the most moons?
Saturn.
That is correct. Busitema University, Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune are 3 of the 4 gaseous planets. What is the 4th?
Uranus.
That is correct. Bishop Stewart, what is the lifespan of a human red blood cell?
120 days.
That is the correct answer. Busitema, what is the strongest muscle in the human body?
The masseter muscle.
That is not correct. Bishop Stewart. Speak up, please.
The jaw. Buscineta muscle.
I want you to make up your mind. You have 10 points at stake. Calm down and give me an answer.
Buscineta muscle.
That's your final answer.
No. Gluteus maximus.
The correct answer is the jaw muscle or the mandible. You are playing in the right answer. Please be confident and speak up. Agree in time. Bishop Stewart University, what part of your body helps you keep your balance?
The ear.
Which part of the ear? Which part of the ear?
The Eustachian tube.
We'll give you that. It's the inner ear. The inner ear. Busitema University, what is the smallest unit of matter called?
Atom.
That is the correct answer. Bishop Stewart, what is the process called when a liquid turns into a solid?
Freezing.
That is the correct answer. Busitema University, what is the process called when a gas turns into a solid without first becoming a liquid?
Sublimation.
Incorrect. Bishop Stewart.
Condensation.
Correct answer is deposition. Bishop Stewart, what is the force that resists motion when 2 solid surfaces rub against each other?
Friction.
That is correct. Busitema, what is the unit for measuring electric power?
Watt.
That is correct. Bishop Stewart, snakes, frogs, and spiders are all ectothermic animals. What does the term ectothermic mean?
Ectothermic means animals whose body temperature is not constant.
That is not correct.
Cold-blooded.
That is the correct answer. You need to formulate your answers faster. You're losing points. Busitema University, what is the chalk made out of?
Calcium carbonate.
That is correct. Bishop Stewart, what is the chemical name for fool's gold? That is not correct. Busitema.
Silver.
Correct answer is pyrite or iron sulfide, which brings us to the end of round 2. Our scores so far on the board. Busitema University has 110 points, while Bishop Stewart has 70 points. You're watching the Ultimate University Quiz. We'll see you in a third round.
The Ultimate University Quiz brought to you by Vision Group, sponsored by Bank of Uganda, Uganda Communications Commission, Parliament of Uganda, National Environment Management Authority,
Crystal Mineral Water,
and powered by Net Studios Africa. Returns shortly after a short break.
Welcome back to the Ultimate University Quiz 2025, brought to you by Vision Group, sponsored by Bank of Uganda, Uganda Communications Commission, National Environment Management Authority, Parliament of Uganda, Crystal Mineral Water, and powered by Net Studios Africa.
Welcome back. You are watching Game 6 Round 3. This is the Ultimate University Quiz, brought to you by Vision Group, sponsored by Bank of Uganda and powered by Net Studios Africa. Our score so far, our team, Busitema University has 130 points, while Bishop Stewart University has got 70 points. Our category is history. Our students, the rules of the game do not change in this round. I'll put you a question, you answer correctly. In 10 seconds, you get 10 points. You get it wrong, your opponent gets a chance to have a go at that question. This time, we'll start with Bishop Stewart University. Our category is history. Bishop Stewart University, in which city did World War I start?
Berlin.
That is not correct. Busitema? Correct answer is Sarajevo. Busitema, which barrier divided capitalist and communist nations in Europe?
The Berlin Wall.
The Berlin Wall is correct, or Iron Curtain. Bishop Stewart University, what was the name of the Soviet intelligence agency?
Pass.
Over to you, Busitema.
The Mossad.
Correct answer is KGB. Mossad is in Israel. Busitema University, during one of the most famous Cold War speeches, who famously said the German phrase,